Understanding at one's wits' end. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, at one's wits' end. This expression is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly useful. Whether you're learning English for personal, professional, or academic reasons, grasping such idiomatic expressions will greatly enhance your fluency. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind at one's wits' end. At one's wits' end is an idiomatic expression that describes feeling extremely frustrated or anxious because you have tried every possible way to solve a problem without success. It's like reaching a point where you don't know what to do next. The word wits here refers to mental faculties or intelligence. So, being at your wits' end implies that you have exhausted all your mental resources. This phrase has an interesting history. It is believed to date back to the 16th century and was used in various forms in literature, including by William Shakespeare. The use of wit in the past was more aligned with the general mental ability rather than being specifically about humor or cleverness as it is often used today. To fully grasp this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After trying to fix the car all day, John was at his wits' end. 2. They were at their wits' end trying to figure out how to satisfy all their clients. These examples show that the phrase is often used to express extreme exasperation or confusion in challenging situations. There are a few phrases in English that convey similar feelings. Fed up, when you can't tolerate a situation anymore. At the end of one's rope. Very similar to at one's wits' end, indicating desperation. Out of ideas simply means you don't know what to do next. Understanding these similar expressions can also help you enrich your English vocabulary. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, at one's wits' end. Idiomatic expressions like this are essential in sounding natural and fluent in English. They add color and emotion to your speech and can be quite fun to use. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to use at one's wits' end when you find yourself in a frustrating situation. Linguistically, of course. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.